Hi ladies, this is Debbie here from Southern Delight. Well, I'm running out of room inside of my house, so my husband came up with this clever idea. You see this shed right here? Well, he's decided to give this shed up, but of course now, look at here. This is his shed. This will be the she shed. So for the next few weeks, stay tuned, and if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because you're going to see me transform this into my she shed, or should I say my craft area. But I'm getting ready to go in and redo this. Yeah, I've got my work cut out for me. Look at this. It is full of all his stuff. That's scary, isn't it? But I'm fixing to transform this into my crafting area. So stay tuned because I've got some really good ideas for this, and it's got plenty of room in here. It's just going to take a lot of elbow grease trying to get this thing cleaned out. So stay tuned.